Hello. Welcome to AI360studio.com. Allow me to guide you on how to create a professional logo in few seconds using our AI tool called Logo Genius. Go to your AI360studio.com account, enter your login details and click the blue Sign In button. From your dashboard, locate and click the Logo Genius icon using the search button. Input the business or product name. Also add description of the business or product. Mention the type of logo you desire. Mention the style also as well as choose the predominant color you desire. Now, press the Create a Logo button and see the magic this AI tool will perform for you. It will not just give you one logo but 4 different professionally crafted logo for you to make a choice. That's it. Now why don't you go try out the app right now and let AI360 Studio Logo Genius app help you take your AI game and profits to another level. If you don't have an AI360 Studio app yet, then you have to go to AI360studio.com to sign up for an account at the special deal going on now. Thank you for watching.